Hey guys, my name is BoneMeal Welcome to another Minecraft showcase video. We are in my friend FNAF Fan021 city, wherever he is. Anyway, we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the BoneMeal Café. Not a very pretty build. I like the idea of it, but it could be better. It's got a drive-through, some crappy parking spots. The road could be fixed. Wouldn't you agree?
Very much.
Yes. Take a look at the inside. There's just a couple tables. Coffee machine. Yep. Drive-through window. We're going to go take a look at a better version I built in my city. Are you ready? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so here we are in my city, and we're getting ready for the big reveal. FNAF, are you ready? Alright, I'm going to teleport you.
This is it, right?
Yeah, that's it. This is the BoneMeal Café and Diner. Oh, it's not the parking garage. Just a quick fly around. We got better parking spaces. We got a drive-through, side entrance. So, how many people do you think we can sit in this place?
Let's see.
Just a rough estimate. Pretty close. 59. Yeah. There's also seating outside, so. Okay, so we got some carpeting, large boots, little boots. We got the little chairs at the thing here. We got a coffee machine over here. We got the fryers, the furnaces, all kinds of stuff. We got it covered. Why do you think there's fryers? It's a diner. Yeah, it's a cafe and a diner.
Oh.
Yeah. Why do you think it's so big? There's some nice bushes. Take a look at this at nighttime. Bam. Look at that.
It looks the same.
Yeah, I know, but it's got nice lighting and everything. Look at the side parking on the street here. The detailing in the sidewalks here. Yep. Yep. Wheels and News is coming to check out the grand opening of BoneMeal Café and Diner in Jade City. Just take a look at that front sign. If anyone can identify what that front sign here is supposed to be, let me know in the comments section. So, I hope you guys like this video. I really enjoy building this. Yes, I bet you do. I had to utilize all the space to full potential. What I had to do is I had to start with this corner here and slowly work my way to that corner over there. You just destroyed that guy's door handle.
I did, and I enjoy doing it.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one.